Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing the series pizza, extra large, pepperoni and jalapeno. Let's go. So, I don't know if y'all see my Instagram story, but this is the one that won over the large burrito. And yeah, so I don't know if people's finished this whole thing before, but it's pretty big. You can see my hand. Look about a slice. A little bit bigger, but anyway. Let's get started. I don't want to get cold, so let's go. Begin. I don't know, it's Sears Pizza, I don't know, it's here in Dallas, Deep Ellum. I don't know if y'all been there, but I have some ranches right here. This is my first time trying it. Well, actually, tried it before, but first time buying this size. Damn, look. We got some Parmesan. Yeah, cause I don't know, it's traffic and I don't want to wait too long as we're getting cold. But I need all day. Ooh. But yeah, it was about extra large, or like I said, about $38 with toppings like 40. So total is $40. $40, and the ranch is 50 cents each. So it was about, I got 6, but she gave me extra or something. But yeah, like I said, it's in Deep Ellum. Pizza's okay. It's a good size. Ranch is good. I'm gonna try to finish this whole thing. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 slices. A few people already told me to do this. Oh damn. A few of y'all already told me to do this a while back ago. And I was like, I'll just wait. And then, shout out to Daniel. He was one of them to remind me to do it. But yeah. That was $40 for this whole thing. It's a lot for pizza. It doesn't even fit in my camera. Outside of Powerade. I don't know where's it at. Two for $1 at Fiesta. Go buy some. It's out of here. But yeah, has a good amount of cheese. They weren't stingy with the jalapenos in there. $3.42. Not trying to take forever to do the video. I'm gonna save the bread for last. Give me 8. Well, I guess this is a challenge right here. Little mukbang challenge. I don't even fit in this. A little burnt. Saving this for last, alright? A little bit of chile. Parmesan cheese. Third slice right here. Woo. I don't think this is possible. Why am I getting full? But yeah, it's good so far. Sweating. Jalapenos are low-key hot. The hell? Ugh. Nah, I picked the wrong day to do this. I gotta at least get to 10 slices at least. Look at that. Look at my beard. Longer. I need a burp. Rocky muffin. Jesus Christ. don't think I'll be able to do it. I'm good. That. That. When I got this pizza, I asked the ladies, has someone ever finished it? I think she told me that they tried, but they left a few slices, so. Also, happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. That was yesterday, so hope you had a good day yesterday. 'Cause I know I did. I was lit. Right, Roxy? Why am I sweating? It's hot in here. Giant big ol' slice. Bro. Oh, never mind. Got him. Surprise. So I got 2, 3, 4, 5. About 10 more slices. Pizza's kind of cold. Man, whose idea was this? I need a little break. And then when I got the pizza, I was taking it to truck, right? And when I was about to pull away, I think it was a homeless. Yeah, she was like, "Yeah, food." Like, I was inside and the window was up. And she's like, "Food." I was like, I guess she saw me take this whole thing inside. I was like, "No, I can't. Sorry." I feel bad. I could have just gave her a slice, right? So now I gotta finish everything. For you. Don't get me wrong, I do get homeless some money in here and there, but I could give her a slice. This ranch, pretty, tastes like I think they make it themselves. I'm gonna eat this, so last one. Maybe all cold. What a beauty. As you can see, my hand over here, my left hand, one side of being full, just leaning. Step 1. Oh, this step 2 right here. If you see somebody eating, they're just like, yeah, that means they're full. And then the last one is like, that means they're done. That was an example. I haven't done it yet. Hey, no. A little piece. Go away. I left with the fur outside. Hold on, be back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I left my sister's dog outside. It's a pug, and you know how hot is it out there? It's probably like 80, 90. They overheat, so I don't want to rough the fur to be dying on me. Sorry, Vaughn, if you're watching this. Guys, it's been like 10 minutes already. Two ranches gone. Third one. And I have a game later on today, so this is a mistake. I need to see my beard. A little baby one. Keep watching over here. There's a game going on. France. The Girls World Cup. You do 1-0. Supposed to eat this real fast. I don't know, what is this, 8? 9. Watch out! Oh man. I fly landed on this, I can't eat it. Give it to Roxy. Shake. Shake. Good job. Woo! 1 second. Yeah. Sorry guys, I have a story for y'all in this video, so boy, too focused trying to finish this. Oh yeah, I'm almost at 250. I still need 50 more to go for giveaway. It's taking forever. For $50 once I hit 300, but whenever that hits, I'll do the giveaway. I'm gonna give up. So let me see that. Once I finish this, it's about 5 slices left. Finish this one's. Damn. 5 slices left. I'm a failure, mama. Whew. Can't do it. This is, I don't know, but it's not as worse as enchiladas. Enchiladas, I was way more full, but, and then chicken nuggets were after. Right now, I'm like a little bit oversatisfied. I'm trying, guys. Let's see. I could have gave her the homeless. I could have gave her one slice. She told me she was hungry. I could have gave her one. Wow. Now, you know what? I'm gonna finish this. Oh. That's all. Wow. Roxy, stop. Hey. Come over here. You stop. I'm making a video right now. Bread's a little soggy. Okay. Get away. I was gonna do this video outside, but there's too many flies. Look, there's a fly right here. Damn it. Whoop. That's it. I guess it was good. I need to practice. I haven't been practicing eating in a while. I'm gonna deal with the ice cream mochi and what I did before that. I don't remember, but I have been eating. Last time I ate a lot was nuggets. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna eat 4 slices. It's not bad. I'm probably gonna do it again later on. Can I talk? How can people do this? Why'd I choose this, man? I wanted to do the giant burrito instead. Ah. It was like 70-40. Whoever voted for this, I'm mad at y'all. Damn, but look, it's two of my hands. My hand's not that small, anyways. I can't. I'm just forcing myself. Just gonna finish this one and spray it, I guess. Blech. Come on, baby. I don't make the video too long, so probably cut it off right now. So I'm leaving 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. You can say 4.5, and bread, I guess. Now I'm gonna have to eat it right. Fun experiment. Probably many challenges I'm gonna do here, mukbangs, challenge mukbang, but I'm not even succeeding in all of them. But unless I keep practicing. But damn, this one, it was a lot. Oh, I'm supposed to eat it quick. Can't be talking. But yeah, I think that should wrap up the video. I tried, honestly. Next time for sure, I'm just gonna tear it up real quick. I think what's messed me up is just slowing down. Yeah, I'll be honest with you, if I take another bite, I'm gonna throw up. So yeah, so 4.5. I challenge one of y'all to do it. I left 4.5, and yeah, you can leave some bread, I guess. But I'll tear it up right now. Look, it's all burnt. How am I supposed to eat that? You know? And burnt. Burnt head, that boy. This one isn't, huh? Look at this burnt. I'm gonna eat that. Kind of burnt. But pretty good. If I do have like a little party, I should probably get 2 of these. No, maybe just 1. I should be set. But yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, just give me some ideas, because I'm running out of ideas right now. I'll take any like challenges like this one, something that seems impossible to finish, and I'll do it. If it was a mukbang or something. Yeah. So yeah, like I said earlier, 50 more subscribers and I reach 300, and I'll be doing a $50 giveaway. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and deuce.